Hey everyone, today I will show you how to get dark mode on ChatGPT, and here's how it is done. Open ChatGPT. Log into your ChatGPT account on your computer or mobile device. Locate the settings menu. On a desktop computer, find your name or profile icon in the upper right corner. On a mobile device, tap the two horizontal lines hamburger menu in the top left corner to access your profile. Access settings. Click or tap on your name or profile icon to open a pop-up menu. From the menu, select Settings. Change the theme. In the General section of Settings, find the Theme or Appearance option. If the current setting is Light Mode, click or tap on it to view the available options. Activate Dark Mode. Select Dark Mode from the available choices. The interface will immediately switch to a dark theme display. Switching back to Light Mode. Follow the same steps to access theme settings. Choose Light Mode to revert to the default bright interface. Benefits of Dark Mode. Reduces eye strain, especially helpful in low-light environments. Customizable experience. Tailor the look and feel of ChatGPT to your preferences. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.